Now that you have Python installed, it's time to download PyCharm, where you'll be doing all of your coding. Open up your browser one more time and search for PyCharm edu, and it will be the first link. Once you're on the website, make sure to click on the Download Free button. And it will start installing. Again, if you're having issues installing PyCharm edu, you can go to your System Preferences, Security and Privacy, and check that your computer is not blocking any downloads and installations. Once PyCharm is ready, you can go ahead and open that file. Drag PyCharm edu into the Applications folder. Now you can open PyCharm edu. When you're on this screen, make sure you select Learner, and then you can start using EduTools. That's it. You've installed PyCharm edu. In the next video, you'll learn how to set up your project with the correct Python interpreter and install your CodeDrum mini library.